How to send Aleo using Leo Wallet. First, open your Leo Wallet and click the Send button. Next, choose the token you wish to send from the list provided. In the recipient field, paste the recipient's Aleo address. If you've saved them as a contact, you can simply select their name from your contacts list. Click on Next. Now you have three options. Private credits are only visible to you and anyone you've shared your view key with. This option keeps your transaction details confidential, offering enhanced privacy. Public credits are visible to anyone on the Aleo public ledger. Transactions using public credits are transparent and can be seen by all network participants. If you're interested in more control, select the Advanced option. This allows you to specify how you want to send the credits and how the recipient will receive the credits. Okay, now, if you don't have enough public or private credits for the transaction, that option will be disabled. To fix this, you can easily convert your credits within Leo Wallet. From home screen, click on Aleo token. You can see the private credit is 0. Click below option, then enter your amount. Click on Next, then confirm. Now you can see the updated balance. This ensures you have the right type of credits available based on your privacy preferences. After selecting your desired option, enter the amount of Aleo credits you want to send. Now proceed to the review page before confirming the transaction. Here you can choose the fee type. Public fees. Selecting this means it will be visible on-chain that you funded a transaction, even if the transaction details are kept private. Private fees. With this option, both your transaction and fee are fully hidden, ensuring maximum privacy. Take a moment to review all the transaction details to make sure everything is correct. Finally, click the Send button to complete the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully sent Aleo using Leo Wallet. Important note, when sending Aleo to a centralized exchange, you should always send it as public. Exchanges only support public Aleo, so make sure to select public credits when sending to an exchange to ensure your funds arrive safely. Thank you for watching and happy transacting.